Matrices exercise 3.3. Number 1. Find the transpose of each of the following matrices. First bit 5 half minus 1. It is of order 3 by 1. I have to make the matrix 3 by 2. That can be written as 5 half minus 1. Its order is 3 by 1, but its order is 1 by 3. Then the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. The transpose matrix of E also be in 2 by 2 form. The answer will be 1 minus 1 2 3. Third bit minus 1 5 6 2 3 5 6 2 3 minus. Its answer will be minus 1 root 3 2 5 5 6 6 6 minus 1. Sorry, that is 5 5 3. Number 2. If A equal to minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1 and B equal to minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1, then verify that A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now comes to LHS equal to plus B transpose, that is A matrix given that 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1 plus B matrix minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. It's a transpose. Adding this matrix minus 1 plus minus 4, that is minus 4 2 plus 1 3 minus 5 5 plus 1 7 plus 2 9 plus 0 minus 2 plus 1 1 plus 3 1 plus 1. It's transpose, that is minus 5 3 minus 2 6 9 9 minus 1 4 2, and its transpose is minus 5 3 minus 2 6 9 9 minus 1 4 2. Now comes to RHS equal to A transpose plus B transpose. That becomes minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1 transpose plus minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 3 1. It's a transpose. Then its transpose will become minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1 minus 4 1 1 1 2 3 minus 5 0 1. Adding this matrix minus 4 plus minus 5 5 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 7 plus 2 1 plus 3 3 minus 5 9 plus 0 1 plus 1. That becomes minus 5 6 minus 1 3, that is 9, that is 4, that is minus 2 9, that is 2. Hence LHS equal to RHS root. Second bit is A minus B dash equal to A dash minus B dash. Now comes to LHS equal to A minus B that is the matrix is -1 2 3 5 7 9 -2 1 1 minus -4 1 -5 1 2 0 1 3 1 transpose. Then subtracting corresponding elements, -1 minus of -4 that is +4, 2 minus 1 3 minus of -5 that is 3 plus 5, 5 minus 1 7 minus 2 9 minus 0 -2 minus 1 2 minus 3 sorry 1 minus 3 1 minus 1. That is equal to 3 1 8 4 5 9 -3 -2 0 transpose. That is equal to 318 4 5 9 -3 -2 0. Then come to right hand side. This is equal to 8 dash a, that is -1 2 3 5 7 9 -2 1 1 transpose -4 1 -5 1 2 0 1 3 1. Its transpose that is becomes -1 2 3 5 7 9 -2 1 1 -4 1 -5 1 2 0 1 3 1. Then subtracting corresponding elements, -1 minus of -4 that is -1 plus 4. Then 5 minus 1 -2 minus 3 2 minus 1 7 minus 2 1 minus 3 3 minus of -5 that is 3 plus 5 9 minus 0 1 minus 1. That matrix is -1 plus 4 that is 5 5 minus 1 that is 4 -2 minus 3 that is -3 2 minus 1 that is 1 7 minus 2 that is 5 1 minus 3 that is -2 3 plus 5 that is 8 5 9 minus 0 that is 9 1 minus 1 that is 0. Look at here, left hand side answer that, right hand side answer that, both answer same. So LHS equal to RHS proved.